Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best online machine learning courses that you can find on the internet. And these are courses that comes with certificates after you must have completed the course. So if you are new to machine learning or you have interest in machine learning or you just want to know what machine learning is, or probably you already have the basic knowledge and you want to improve so that you can also get some certificates to boost your resume or your portfolio, then this course and this video is for you. So do make sure you watch the video to the end. Also, I'll be sharing with you the links to the courses I'm going to be recommending. I'll be leaving the links in the description of the video to make it easy for you to access these courses. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. And also, if you are new to PA Academy or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to subscribe. You see the subscribe option at the lower right of the screen if you are watching on desktop, or just below the video you see an option to subscribe. All right, so with that, now let's get into the video. So now first let's look at the concept of machine learning. So if you come on Google and you type what is machine learning, you probably see this same content like this. But what is it saying? So it says machine learning. In general, machine learning algorithm are used to make a prediction or classification. So, and then there's a particular definition I also want to share with you, talking about machine learning and AI. So what exactly is the difference? So when you talk about AI, so you said the goal of AI system is to have a machine complete a human task efficiently. Such tasks may involve learning, problem solving, and pattern recognition. Exactly. So that's for AI. But when we talk about machine learning, on the other hand, the goal of machine learning is to have a machine analyze large volume of data. So what am I trying to say here? That once you are talking about machine learning, we are dealing with data here, unlike AI. They might want to have some relationship, might want to look similar, but there's a distinction between the two. So with that being said, let's take a look at some of the courses. Now, the courses I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be a combination of both free courses and paid courses. So with that, you don't really have any excuse of not starting with any course. So if finance is the challenge, you can start up with the free courses like the one you are seeing right now. This is one of the free courses that I'll be sharing with you on machine learning. Okay, so this one says machine learning for apps. So learn the basic of how to use Python for machine learning and iOS app development with this free online course. You see, Python is one of the programming language that you actually need for machine learning. So, and all the courses I'm sharing with you, they are in-depth courses, not the fundamental or beginner. Why they might touch the fundamental or the beginner parts of machine learning, but the courses are going to be going into in details. Okay. So it says, so in the description it says, this free online machine learning course covers foundational Python for machine learning. You will learn what machine learning is and how it is applied. Study the 5 steps of machine learning integration and look into the installation of Anaconda and Atom, including their applications. You will learn how to build an iOS app and create a classification model capable of making predictions using neural networks and much more. Okay, so that's a short description of what this course is offering. So from this course so far, it has about 19,000 learners already enrolled into this course, and you can see it is 5 to 6 hours of learning. So like I said, all of the courses I'm going to be sharing with you are courses that are in-depth courses on machine learning. So in this course, these are the things, summary of what you're going to be learning, explain what machine learning is and how it is applied, outline the function of dropout layout nodes and softmax, discuss how program basic arrays and tuples in Python, describe how convolutional neural networks classify images. So this is just a summary of what you learn in this particular course. Like I said, the link to it will be in the description. So now let's look at the course module. So this course actually has 7 modules. And if you come on this page now, and then you click on this arrow, you're going to be seeing each of the topic under each of the modules. So for module 1 now, which is essential software. So introduction to the course, what is machine learning basics, installing Anaconda, Atom and plugins, essential software. So once you get started, it's going to take you through all of the modules from module 1 to module 6, and the module 7 is course assessment, after which on completion of the module 7, once you pass the assessment, you're going to be getting your certificate. Like I said, all the courses I'm going to be recommending to you in this video all comes with certification. Okay, so these are just some of the reviews from the course. So I've learned to understand the use of vision framework. with core machine language to handle and convert images. Also how to provide examples. Also how to convert images. Also how to provide examples of how core machine learning can be used to create a new Xcode project. So this is one of the review from one of those that took up the course. So once you're on this page, for you to get started, just click on Start Course Now. So you can either use this or use this to get started with the course. But the link to take you to this page, you find it in the description of this video. So this is the first one. So let's go to the second one. So here is the second course on machine learning that is free. That is a free course. It says Diploma in Machine Learning with Python. Like I said earlier, you're going to need Python. Python is one of the programming language you need in machine learning. Okay. So far, it's 8,000 learners already enrolled into this course. It's 10 to 15 hours of learning. So expect more information under the topic of machine learning. And these are the things you're going to be learning. At the end of this course, you should be able to define what machine learning is, distinguish between parametrics and non-parametrics model, contrast categorical variables to non-numerical, categorical variables to numerical variables, outline bootstrap sampling, and the rest. So now let's look at the course modules. So this has a total of 9 modules, and then you can click each of them to see the topic under each of the modules. So it's a robust course on machine learning because this is a diploma course, so you should expect more information than a certificate course that you'll find on this platform. Also, this also comes with certificate upon completion. Once you are done, you're going to be getting your certificate. Okay. All right, so this is the second one. Now let's look at the third course on machine learning. So this is also a diploma course, diploma in mastering machine learning with R. Now the difference between this and this is, you can see it's by the same publisher, Joan Galvan, but this is with Python, and why this is with R. This is another programming language, exactly. So in this free online course, learn about the algorithm and models involved in mastering machine learning with R. I hope I've not mixed machine learning and machine language in the course of recording this. So anyways, so learn more about the approach, applications, and method of machine learning in these free online courses. We'll show you examples of applications that use this method and measure tasks best solved using this science. In addition, explore how to use root mean square deviation method to assess the closeness between a model and the actual data set. Machine learning also deals with data. I said it at the beginning of this video. So far 2,000 learners already enrolled. This is a 6 to 10 hours of learning, and then right here are things that you're going to be learning in the course of this video. Of this course. All right, so the course module of this is divided into 7 modules. So this is module 1, machine learning and data processing, linear regression, diploma. So this is the first assessment. And then for module 4, exploratory data analysis, linear and logistics regression. And then this is the second assessment before the final one. So you can see the information here. These assessments enable you to review your learning so you can determine your knowledge and understanding of module 3 to 4. So you must score 80% or more to pass this assessment. So you can see you need to pass by 80% or more. So once you are done with everything and you complete all the necessary assessments, then you can come and apply and get your certificates. So certificate will also help in your journey in machine learning to build your portfolio or your resume as an expert or someone with knowledge in machine learning. So the link to this also, you'll find it in the description. And once you come on this page, after going through it, you can just click on Start Course Now, either this or this, and then you get started with the course. All right. So far we've looked at 3 courses. This is the first one, the second, and the third. And these are the 3 courses that you can get started with right now on machine learning. Now let's look at the last one I'll be sharing with you, which is the paid course. So this says machine learning A to Z. That's AI, Python, and R. So this is a combination of the last 2 courses I shared with you, and then with more information. So machine learning, all you need to know about machine learning, that's machine learning A to Z, Python, and R plus ChatGPT. Price 2024. So there are chances that if you are watching this video, you are watching a month later after 2024, because I'm actually making this video late 2024. So if you are watching it later in the years, I believe it will still be relevant, just look at the last updated. You can see it was video has been updated the same month I'm making the video. All right, so it's currently the bestseller in machine learning with 4.5 rating, about almost 200,000 rating, with over 1 million students enrolled so far. So you can see that it's a course with great reviews, and a lot of students are really finding value in this course. Okay, so these are the things that what are you going to learn? Master machine learning on Python and R programming, make accurate predictions, make robust machine learning models, make powerful analysis. I'm just picking them randomly. Know which machine learning models to choose for each type of problem. Exactly. So you should know which one to use. Maybe you have to use Python, or you have to use R, or any other models. So this course will put you through all of those. So this is 42.5 hours, almost for 3 hours. You're going to be getting 5 coding exercises, 41 articles, 10 downloadable resources, and then certificates of completion. Then you can access it on mobile and TV, so making it flexible for you to learn on the go. So right here is the course content. It has about 46 sections. So these are all the sections right here. If you click here, you're going to see more of the sections. So this is just welcome to the course, data processing, regression. So if you click on this arrow, you're going to be seeing other topics under each of the sections. Exactly. Okay, so let's just scroll down so you can see. Here's the description. So what are the requirements? Just some high school maths is what is needed. But prior knowledge of programming language like Python and R will actually give you an edge. Okay. So if you look at some of the reviews, let's just look at 1 or 2 reviews from those. So this course has been a long and interesting journey. I appreciate both the intuition lectures and the practical lessons, especially the way the instructor explained the concepts. I was mainly interested, I was mainly interested in Python language, but I also attended the R section because they gave another perspective and some additional information. So these are some of the reviews from the course. So in terms of pricing, the course is $13.99. That's approximately $14, and they are currently on promo Black Friday, because I'm doing this video around November 2024. So that's why there's a discount of 4%. However, so the price might be different based on your location and the time you are actually picking up the course. But however, whatever price is there, trust me, you're going to be getting great value for money, judging by, that's the reviews. It's a bestseller. And then if you even look at the course content, it's bringing in both Python and R programming plus ChatGPT. These are all the informations you need as long as machine learning is concerned. So guys, that is all the courses I'm recommending. These are the 4 courses that I'm recommending for machine learning. So like I said, you'll find a link to all the 4 courses in the description of this video. So make sure nothing stops you from getting started. There are a few courses that you can start up immediately after watching this video. You find a link, just click on it, and then you click on start course now. Then you can start your journey into machine learning. So I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any question or any comments, do let me know in the comment section below. And with that, I wish you success in your journey into machine learning. So thank you very much, and bye for now.